So today we are doing a vlog. I was actually supposed to start shooting in the morning because I went to the drugstore to get a couple of things that you guys might like. I'll show you guys a bit later. But first, my girls are helping me out clear this room because it is a big mess. So when I got back, they had literally done everything. Like, look guys, Chogan. My room is in a mess because they changed everything, like without me. But hey, we gotta be appreciated. Let's just close up. Need to be appreciated. You know? So go to clear the mess, guys. Let me just lift my tear up. So go to clear the mess, but then of course they need to help me. They need to help because this is their mess. You know what I mean? So if you are a regular, welcome back to my channel. And if you are stopping by, please just stop. Stop. Subscribe and like, and please, if you want to see more of this face, you need to make sure, honey, that you subscribe to my channel. So let's get on to it. Let's get this room clean. Let's get rolling. So guys, as I had already started vlogging, I don't know what's happening with this video. I honestly don't know what's going on. So as I said earlier on, that I will be bleaching this hair. I had already started with my makeup kit, guys, and it's my younger sister who's actually doing my plants. So today in this vlog, I will actually be installing this 18-inch. They say it's an 18-inch, but yeah, son, 18-inch aluyiva nukumlungu thixaxa bathi 18-inch, but our 18-inch. Look guys, well, I can't call down 18-inch. I think this is about a 16-inch. I don't know what you guys think. So I'll be bleaching the knots, right? I'll be bleaching the knots as I had already said that we're bleaching the knots for this week. But before I do that, I want to finish my makeup first so that when I set it up, it'll be nice. Then I'll be looking all fresh, looking all good, honey. So let me quickly complete my makeup. Let me finish up my makeup and then have my sister actually finish these plaids. And it's going to but guys, it's just afro. Then get Thomas. Then get. So I'll actually be I'll be completing it and then I'll bleach the knots. I'll show you guys how to do everything. And I'll also show you as my sister plats my hair. She's only 11 years old, you guys. Isn't that adorable? So cute. So she'll be plaiting my hair. And yeah, guys, let's get rolling. you guys, it looks so real. It looks so real, so real, so real. Let me just stand up so that you guys can see what it actually looks like. Let me just, second. Let me just move this like this. I hope you guys can see. You guys can see. So, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? Look at that. Look at that trail. Now it looks so real. I think it looks so real. I hope it's focusing. Is it focusing? Okay, it's focusing. Don't mind my nails. Don't mind my nails. Just look at the goodness. Look at the goodness of this wig, you guys. Like, period. Can you see? It looks so real. We actually bleached the knots. I don't want to leave the dye in for too long. I see. That's nice. So I just want to show you guys. You remember it had those knots over here? I hope you guys can see. Can you guys see? So you guys you noticed that it had those knots, right? Can you see, darling? Can you see? Like, hey! And over here as well. I haven't glued it yet, so I must still glue it. So you guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys like it, and please, I tried laying down the baby hairs and making it look natural as possible. If you do have mousse, by all means guys, you can use mousse, and also with the baby hairs as well. I think I haven't done it quite nicely. I'll fix it again off camera, but then this is how the wig look, you guys. Let me just turn around. Let me just turn around so that you guys can see it. Hope you guys can see. Guys, this is not an 18-inch. This is depth, not an 18-inch. But hey, honey, Mandy, from that head. Mandy, bakarishile. But the 18-inch, 18-inch. But honey, we move. Make it work. So this is the final product, you guys. I've got this hair, as I said earlier on, from AliExpress at a store called Abijale. I hope I'm saying it right. It's Abijale. That's what the name is called. Abijale. Abijale. I think it sounds more natural when I say it in an African accent. Abijale. But I'll be sure to link the store below. If you have anything that you would like to ask on what it's like buying on AliExpress, please do leave a comment below, and I'll sure to answer each and every comment and each and every answer that you guys leave. But please, 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 please tell your friend to tell their friends to tell their friends to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if they want to see this pretty face over here. And if you're stopping back by or you're just passing by, please stop, honey, subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more of this pretty face. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.